Welcome, fellow cinephiles and futurists. Today, we're diving headfirst into a concept that's not just visually stunning, but also incredibly thought-provoking: the 3D future of Wall Street. Imagine a world where the bustling energy of financial markets isn't just something you read about or see on a flat screen, but an immersive, three-dimensional experience. Think about it. The traditional ticker tape, the graphs, the charts, they all become tangible elements you can interact with. Picture yourself navigating through a holographic representation of the stock market, where rising trends manifest as towering structures and falling prices create dynamic, shifting landscapes. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about a fundamentally new way to understand and engage with complex financial data. In this 3D future, analysts could literally walk through the history of a company's performance, seeing its growth and setbacks unfold around them. Traders might manipulate virtual models of portfolios, feeling the weight and impact of their decisions in a way that a 2D interface simply can't replicate. The sheer volume of information that Wall Street deals with could be organized and visualized in ways that make it more accessible, more intuitive, and ultimately, more understandable for everyone. This evolution extends beyond just the professionals. For the everyday investor, the prospect of understanding their investments could be revolutionized. Imagine a personalized 3D dashboard that illustrates your financial journey, making concepts like diversification and risk management feel less abstract and more concrete. It could empower individuals to make more informed decisions about their future, fostering a greater sense of control and confidence. The implications for education are also immense. Imagine business schools using these immersive environments to teach complex economic principles, allowing students to experience market dynamics firsthand. This hands-on, experiential learning could foster a deeper understanding and a more innovative generation of financial minds. Of course, with any technological leap, there are considerations. Ensuring equitable access to these advanced tools will be paramount. We must also consider the ethical implications of such immersive environments and ensure they are used responsibly to promote transparency and fairness, not to create new forms of manipulation. The goal is to democratize financial understanding, not to create an even more exclusive club. The 3D future of Wall Street isn't just a sci-fi fantasy, it's a plausible evolution that promises to reshape how we interact with the world of finance. It's about making the complex accessible, the abstract tangible, and the future of our financial well-being more understandable and within reach. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. I hope this glimpse into the potential of 3D technology has sparked your imagination. If you found this insightful, please consider following for more explorations into the future of technology and its impact on our lives.